When Miro's on demo mode, if you stroke him, pat him, he just moves around and turns his lights on.
He's cute. He's like a dog and like a rabbit. I enjoy the experience I get with it because it's a whole new generation of robotics.
Just by coding the simple things, you can learn how Miro develops.
And you don't have to feed him. And he's not so messy.
Our motivation in setting up Consequential was to build robots that are going to improve people's quality of life and make them as helpful as possible and also inclusive as possible. Most of the social robots that we have right now are actually in university labs where they're being used as prototypes to understand how robots could be used to advance education, particularly around STEM subjects and computing. We've got a robust platform that kids can use and identify with, and they write programs themselves.
The students are invited to program the robot to come up with their own scenarios or their own challenges for the kind of tasks they can fulfill.
Miro-E can help young people to develop essential coding and robotic skills, but it also helps them to develop into responsible and caring problem solvers with deeper understanding of the world around them and how they can help other people. We have sessions that revolve around children having to code Miro to help a blind child cross the road or detect fallen patients.
I'd say using the Miro is very enjoyable because it is something tangible to work with. You've got a robot moving about doing things, it shows you the real consequences of your code.
Usually when they first come into their classroom, Miro is behaving like an unpredictable pet. Once they start their learning, and we then see them interacting as a real computer scientist, where they are coding Miro to do a particular job, and then testing their code on Miro.
But the problem with that, people had to install that on a computer, and what we wanted was to make it more accessible. So the Sustainable Innovation Fund helped us take the Miro code application, which was tied to particular hardware, and make it freely available via the cloud on any computer. And that means that any classroom, any person at home can run Miro Cloud. Miro-E is the start of what we see as a rollout of new ideas that can change our lives through robotics. We want to see a step change in the way that robotics exists at school. So many of our future jobs are going to be around robotics. I think we need to bring it more into what we teach at school.
The different coding possibilities that you could do are endless, so it gives you many opportunities and it gives you many ways to grow.